Good morning students. Today topic is first order rate reaction. First order rate reaction is defined as a reaction in which the rate of reaction depending on the concentration of the one of the reactant. In this process of reaction, the reaction rate is depending on any one substance. The rate of reaction of first order rate can be determined by using following equation. Minus dt by dt is directly proportional to concentration of the one of the term is equal to dc by dt is equal to minus k1c. K1 means specific rate constant of first order rate. Specific rate constant of first order. Examples: decomposition of hydrogen peroxide by 0.02 molar potassium hydride, acid hydrolysis of ethyl acetate and methyl acetate, inversion of sugar, disintegration of radioactive elements, diffusion of drug across biological membranes, pharmacokinetics of drugs. It includes absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. Next one, growth of microorganisms, killing of microorganisms by heat. These are the substances follows first order rate process. First order rate constant can be given by using following equation. K1 is equal to 2.303 by T log into C0 by Ct. In above equation, K1 is equal to first order rate constant, T is equal to time, C0 means initial concentration of the drug, Ct means concentration of drug at respect to time. C0 by Ct is equal to is also written as A by A minus X. In above equation, A is equal to initial concentration of the drug, A minus X is equal to concentration of the drug at respect to time. For determination of first order rate constant, you will plot a graph in between time is taken on x-axis and log percentage unreacted is taken on y-axis. It will gives negative slope. Slope is equal to k1 by 2.303. For determination of first order rate constant, you will calculate the k1 is equal to slope into 2.303. When slope is multiplied with 2.303, it gives first order rate constant. Units for first order rate constant is hours inverse or minutes inverse. Next, this is first order plot. Plot a graph in between time in hours versus percentage log percentage unreacted is taken on y-axis. Half life for first order rate constant equation is equal to T of is equal to 0.693 by K1. Units for half life is equal to hours, minutes and seconds. Half life, shelf life is equal to 0.105 by K1. Units, next one. The relationship between half life to the shelf life is for first order T90 is equal to 0.152 into T of. This is first order rate constant. Next one, second order rate reaction constant. It is defined as a reaction in which the rate depending on the concentration terms of two reactants each raised to the some power. A plus B is equal to gives product. In this process, the product is depending on two compounds A and B. Based upon the product will be formed. Minus dA by dt is equal to minus dB by dt is equal to K into A into power of B. Examples for second order reaction rate constants are alkaline hydrolysis of ester, hydrolysis of chlorbutanol by sodium hydroxide. The reaction rate constant is equal to x by A into A minus X is equal to K2T. It is also written as K2 is equal to 1 by AT into X by A minus X. In above equation, Kt is equal to second order rate constant, A is equal to initial concentration, time is equal to respect to time, X is equal to amount of drug, A minus X is equal to amount of drug at respect to time. For determination of second order rate constant, we'll plot a graph in between time is taken on x-axis and x by A into A minus X is taken on y-axis. It will gives positive slope. In this graph, slope is equal to K2. Units for slope is equal to concentration inverse, time inverse. Concentration can be expressed in moles per liter. So, units for second order rate constant is equal to moles per liter into time. For half life, K is equal to 1 by AT of. T of is equal to 1 by AK2. Second order rate constant of life equation is equal to T of is equal to 1 by AK2. Thank you. For further details, you will refer the textbook. Thank you.